We also have, for the guys that doesn't like the drinks, that we give to you here.
Okay, picture, Cole. Cole, picture.
The premium bar for that cost. So, yeah, that has an extra charge.
Okay, we're still inside the boat, going snorkeling. And in front of you are the big yachts, and at the back are the condominiums. Let's take a zoom. There, those are the condominiums there at the back. Very nice backdrop here in the marina.
Ok, para todos los que planean divertirse, tenemos la fiesta de regreso. For the smokers, para los fumadores, the smoking is not alcohol. No smoking, ladies and gents, until the way back. Sin fumar hasta el regreso. No, no es cierto, miento. Pueden fumar, pero en la barra. Ok. The only place that you can smoke, ladies and gents, is in the bar. Okay, ladies and gents? Well, let's have fun, ladies and gents.
I like diamonds and pearls. They give to all the girls around the world. When I shot you with a company and
Ship captain, huh? There's the cruise ship in front of us. Big Norwegian cruise ship docking here in Cabo. And that's me, handsome son, Cole Baron. Alright, good picture. Okay, near the marina, one of the best resorts is the Hacienda. If you take a closer look, yes, that's the Hacienda. And then so many resorts after the Hacienda, and that's what they call the corridor here in Cabo. Again, a cruise ship. If you want to go cruising here in Cabo, that's where you park. Another beautiful view of the beaches here in Cabo. So on the right side is the beach where we are going to go snorkeling. Forward of the boat, the first beach right beside the marina. So we're cruising maybe about 5 to 6 knots on this catamaran. On the left side of the marina is the Hacienda Resort. Inside the boat, you have toilet for men and women. So the beaches is right here, and that's what they call the Land's End or the Arc here in Cabo. So if you want to go here, you pay about $10 per person to get to this beach right in front of us. Or you can hire a glass bottom boat. Again, a view of the cruise line. Here you can see sea lions and a lot of birds, the pelican birds. And there are about 5 to 6 beaches right in front of us. And one of them is the well-known Lovers Beach there right in front, and at the back is the Divorce Beach. People really enjoy Cabo because the beaches are very near from the resort. There you can hear somebody say that we are actually nearing the Lovers Beach. So if you want to fall in love, maybe this is the best place to go. That's what they call the Lovers Beach. And right in front is a great snorkeling and scuba diving area. And as you can see, those are 2 big rocks, And if you cross those two big rocks, you end up in the Divorce Beach here in Cabo. And that beach is actually facing the Pacific Ocean, wherein you've got stronger waves and strong currents. Here, this is the side of the Lovers Beach, and here you'll be able to see the arc, and this is the famous Baja Peninsula. And it's really a lot of people come here for just taking a lot of pictures, and we're still waiting. Maybe we're coming here to go snorkeling, to have an idea from the cruise line. You have the resorts, you have the marina right there, and just about 3 to 5 minutes you can get to the beach. 4 or 5 coves to choose from, and if you want, you can always stay in the Lovers Beach. And this is the best part of the Baja Peninsula, well photographed. And here you can enjoy snorkeling, scuba diving, or having fun on a glass bottom boat. So, oh, there's the arc, the famous arc. It's actually what you call a hole on the rocks that's caused by the strong water making an arc. Let's have a closer shot of the arc, the famous arc here. There you go. So this is the most photographed place here in Cabo San Lucas, the famous arc. And it's blurred, so we need to focus a little bit. There you go. You can see the strong waves coming in from the Pacific Ocean, and you don't want to be going there hitting those high waves. Well, it can get so dangerous. And here's my son Cole. Okay, want to go up? Yeah, okay. You want to go up? Okay, Cole's going up to go on the deck. See the deck? Huh? Okay, so you can see people are drinking, having a good time. And where's Cole and Berna? And that's the arc right in front. Oh, Berna. Okay, picture Cole. Cole!
Doon sana sa gilid.
Ay. Layo ka pa ng konti. Ito na yung pinakamagandang view eh. Yan, pinakamagandang view ng arc. Okay, picture. Okay, isa pa. Alright. Okay. Okay, another picture of the arc with Berna.
Ladies and
Cole.
gents,
Oh, here.
please,
Okay,
if
Cole,
you have
look here.
children, take care of them, because
One more.
has some dangerous zones.
Okay, that's
and the little kids doesn't know
best
that.
shot of the day.
Don't let
We'll
them
take one
run.
more to make
Don't
sure.
let them run from the
Okay.
stairs, because they can fall
One
down
more.
and get hurt, ladies
All right.
and gents. Please, you're
Okay,
the only
ayos na.
person responsible.
Okay, so we'll shoot another picture. And Berna wants to, okay, yan. Dali, kinukuberan ka eh. Okay. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, a better angle here of the arc. Okay, saan si Cole? Oh, Berna. Okay, picture. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, Berna. Smile. Yan, ganda. Wala si Cole. Isa pa ha. Dapat nandiyan si Cole eh. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, we're showing you the beauty of Cabo, which is surrounded by beach there. And right in front, have our resorts, and here you can go here by cruise line and enjoy the beaches.